Welcome to this video on the statistical foundations of machine learning, specifically focusing on Module 6, Wiring the Intelligence. Statistics plays a crucial role in managing system uncertainty. Raw data often arrives with noise, but through statistical models we can process these signals and enable machine learning to make confident decisions. Consider the Bayesian architecture as an adaptive circuit. It starts with a prior belief, incorporates new evidence through likelihood, and updates the final probability as a posterior, continuously refining its understanding. In contrast, the frequentist architecture acts as a static gate. It uses fixed rules for hypothesis testing, measures error rates via p-values, and defines specific tolerance ranges using confidence intervals. When choosing between these architectures, consider whether you need a dynamic, belief-based system like the Bayesian approach or a static, frequency-based system like the frequentist model. To model continuous noise, we use the Gaussian distribution. The Central Limit Theorem helps normalize chaotic signals into a stable bell shape over time, while standard deviation effectively measures signal variance. Maximum likelihood estimation, or MLE, is used to tune signals. By finding the perfect parameter values, the system maximizes the likelihood of the observed data, aligning predictions with actual signals. Cross-entropy is a vital tool for measuring loss. It quantifies the distance between the true signal and the predicted signal, where higher values indicate greater system inefficiency. Effective model building requires managing the bias-variance trade-off. We must balance the system load to avoid underfitting, caused by high bias, or overfitting, caused by high variance. Regularization acts like a fuse to manage this load. L1 regularization, or lasso, acts as a circuit breaker by removing useless features, while L2 regularization, or ridge, dampens extreme spikes in the data. The law of large numbers ensures system stability. While small data samples can lead to volatile signals, larger datasets reliably produce stable and predictable averages. The confusion matrix is a primary diagnostic tool. It categorizes outcomes into true and false positives and negatives, allowing us to accurately calculate precision and recall. To detect if an environment has drifted, we use KL divergence. It measures the exact difference between two probability distributions, signaling when live data deviates from training data. A practical application is found in search autocorrect. It acts as a Bayesian inference engine, checking historical data against keyboard errors to instantly predict the user's intended word. In summary, statistics provides the essential architecture for intelligence. By regulating uncertainty through mathematical equations, we can ensure robust and reliable machine learning at scale.